In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache in Google Chrome browser. If your Chrome browser feels slow, pages are not loading properly, or a website looks outdated even after it has been updated, clearing the cache can often help. The cache is a temporary storage area where Chrome saves parts of websites, like images and files, so pages can load faster the next time you visit them. Over time, though, that stored data can become outdated or cause loading issues, so it is useful to know how to clear it. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main settings and options menu for Chrome. From that menu, click the option for browsing data. This will take you to the area where you can remove saved data from your browser. When that window appears, you will see a section that lets you choose a time range. This is important because it determines how much cached data you want to remove. You can choose from options like the last hour, the last 24 hours, or the last 7 days. Pick the time range that best matches what you need. For example, if a website only started acting up recently, clearing the cache from the last hour or last day may be enough. If the issue has been happening for a while, selecting a longer time range may be more helpful. You will also see different types of browsing data that can be cleared. If you only want to clear the cache, you can uncheck other items like cookies or browsing history. This is useful if you do not want to be signed out of websites or lose your browsing record. Make sure the cached files option remains selected, since that is the main item you want to remove. After reviewing your selections, click Delete Data. Chrome will then clear the cached files based on the time range and options you selected. This usually only takes a few moments, although it may take longer if a large amount of data has built up. Once the process is finished, you can continue using Chrome as normal. Keep in mind that some websites may load a little slower the first time you open them again, because Chrome will need to download fresh files. That is completely normal, and that is how to clear cache in Google Chrome browser.